recorded. Okay, let me get into character. Window tinter, window tints, window tints. I love how Alex is just so used to my shenanigans, he just ignores me. I requested a song as my background. It's called Family Reunion by Blink-182. You can look it up, we're not allowed to have it being played, but regardless, I thought it was funny. So, we're doing 70% crystalline all the way around on this R1T. So that means if I do my job correctly, then no one's gonna know I did anything on this car. Because 70% is clear, and then we're doing clear film on all the windows. So you're gonna walk into the car and be like, wow, those windows are really clear. You sure they're tinted? And I'm like, yeah, because I'm that good, you don't know. They just have to keep a camera on me to make sure I'm working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After we get backup batteries, we're just in Power City, off grid.
So everything's but this good.
Everything but a line.
Yeah,
Exactly. Right, so that's sort of like, I'm curious. I always love it. I can tell selling by the film. I'm a black sheep though. And that's not cool, but they are not using the clear or and then we use another.
Oh, hey. Hi, camera. Made a joke.
So, if you don't know,
I need more blade. This technique that I'm about to do is called air peeling. Oh no! If this works. I don't know why that liner is being a pain today. So that technique is called air peeling. And why I like to peel right next to my window is I have so much less airspace that the film has to be exposed to. So as I'm talking right now, in between me and this camera is millions of little pieces of just junk floating in the air that there is no helping. That is just the way of life and it's gonna be there. We can't see them, but as these little pieces get stuck to the adhesive and then you put like the moisture on it, it'll dry, the water dries into a little air pocket there, and then it becomes like a white speck you can see. So the less that I have to go through, the less that there's a chance that a larger contaminant will get caught. And so that's my reasoning behind air peeling next to the window. All right, now we're gonna roll this back down. And we're gonna let that settle for a little bit. Because what my goal is now is I want this top edge to dry a little bit more before I come back and file it. But we still gotta do this little window and then we move over to the other side. Alex, how do you wanna set your camera up for the other side? All right, and through the power of editing, the door panel's already taken apart, the tape's on, the window shrunk. Ha! All right, Alex wants me to finish this video, so I'm gonna take the camera with me and we're gonna do this. Oh, look at me, it's focusing. All right, so here we are. Here we are. I'm still not done, I still got more to do, but this is gonna be it for the video. Windshield's done, 70% crystalline. This is done here. Everything looks great. I really hope this gimbal is focusing on me and not something else, but I thought it'd be funny to take it around the car. So yeah, I hope I ended that well, Alex. I'm sorry, I'm not creative today, but I still gotta file it, put the doors back together, and I still gotta do the back half. But that's a little bit of how we do a Rivian R1T. That's gonna be spotless, I hope.